we had a lot of complicated sound machines, and we actually landed on just getting this more basic one because it's just easier. Nobody's fighting about it. So it's got power. It has light on here. You can change the color of the light. Or sorry, that just turns it on and off. But this one changes the color of the light. You can set a timer, so an hour, 2, 3, 4, or just forever. Volume. It has a ton of different sounds. But it's been really, really easy. I love how small and compact it is. Like, it doesn't take up a ton of space on her nightstand. And it's just been a much better sound machine than any of the, like, nice fancy ones that we had.